we're going to go through customizing your client portal with Pocket Office. Your client portal is a great way to offer a personalized, individualized service to every one of your clients, and if you do it up in the right way, you don't even need a website yourself. So come across here to the online presence in the menu and click on Client Portal. And here you can see a preview of what your client portal currently looks like. As you can see, it's there on desktop and mobile. Now, let's go and edit this. As you can see here, this is the editing wizard for your client portal, and it shows you a small preview of what it looks like currently. The great thing about Pocket Office is that all the features are optimized for mobile and also for desktop. So one of the first things that you should look at optimizing is your business info. So as you can see here, you can input all of the business info, and especially important to edit your logo. So you can just pull across any file that is your logo from your desktop or from anywhere else and upload it directly into Pocket Office here. When it's uploaded, you can have that logo now show on your client portal. So all of your clients will see your logo appear whenever they come and visit your client portal. There's lots of different fields here. There's the About Us, which is very important. So when you first start up Pocket Office, the About Us is left empty, and it's up to you to add in some little details about your business. What you can also do is add an image into the About Us version of your client portal. This is a handy way to personalize your business just to make sure that your clients know exactly who they're speaking to when they come to the client portal. Make it a little bit more personal. One of the most important things on your client portal is the action buttons. So there's these buttons here on the middle of the page. So what these action buttons are directing your clients to schedule more appointments with you, or it's the actions your clients take to interact with your business. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to edit one of these buttons. So you can add in here, and you can see all of the different types of interactions that you can place here for your customers to come in and have a look at. One thing that everybody wants to make sure that they personalize is the coloring and the theme of their client portal. So here what we can do is we can actually click in and look at the background, and here inside Pocket Office, just for you, we've got a whole bunch of background images which suit almost any type of business. And we've actually put them in categories for what type of business that you run. I think I might pick this one. Excellent. So now you can see that's come up as my background. I'm going to go over here and have a look at the colors for my portal, and you know what? I think I might pick a different color for the buttons. So for me, I'm going to look for kind of a blue color. There we go. I think I like that color. So this is how you can quickly personalize your client portal. Very easily there. And once you're all done, click Done Editing and you're through. The client portal has been instantly updated. So that's been how you can personalize your client portal inside Pocket Office.